Hey guys, today in this video, I'm going to tell you how you can add a Wix website to a Google Search Console. So if you want to add a Wix website to a Google Search Console, just follow this video and by the end of it, you'll know how to do it. So the first thing that you need to do is you need to log into Wix.com. And once when you log in, you can see that you will be redirected here on this home page. And from here, you need to go here and marketing home. Once when you're here, you can click on SEO setup checklist and open this up. Now let me tell you something very important. For this to work, you need a premium version of Wix.com. If you're using the free version, you cannot do it. I don't have a premium version right now, but I'm still going to tell you how you can do it. The only difference will be that we just need to do it with a premium, because with a premium, you can buy a domain, and this thing will only be possible if you have a domain. That's the difference. The premium Wix would give you a domain as well. So once when you're here, you need to go down here and click on connect this site to Google Search Console. And then you need to connect your Google account to it. And when you connect your Google account, you'll be good to go. But like it is said here that you need to, you need to complete your checklist and all these steps mentioned. Step one, description result, text to home page, and all this. And here you go. You can see right here, connect this site to a custom domain premium feature. Like I said, you need a premium because I can do all this, but if I don't have this, then obviously step one will not be completed. And if step one, the checklist in step one will not be completed, then I won't be able to connect. So you need a premium version for that. So once when you do that, then you will be able to connect it easily. So that's how you do it. And once when you connect it, you can just go on Google Search Console and search your website, and you will the website will be present there as well. So that's how you do it. I hope you found this video informative. Please do like the video and subscribe to the channel to see more content like this. I'll see you in the next one.